Hello guys, today we want to prepare the Triptorelin ampoule for injection. Triptorelin is used to treat advanced prostate cancer. Triptorelin works by reducing the amount of testosterone produced in the body, which helps slow or stop the growth of cancer cells and helps relieve symptoms such as painful urination or difficulty urinating. Most types of prostate cancer need testosterone to grow and spread. This drug is similar to a natural substance made by the body, luteinizing hormone-releasing hormone LHRH. We have two vials, one is Triptorelin and the other is solvent. For injection, we use the same syringe that is in the box. We have two similar needles, with one of which we prepare the ampoule and with the other we do the injection. Now we inject the solvent with a syringe. For ease of work, we inject some air into the vial. Now by shaking the vial on a flat surface and turning it in a figure 8 position, we completely dissolve the Triptorelin powder. We must be careful not to shake the vial violently because it will make Triptorelin ineffective. Now that the ampoule is ready, we inject it with a syringe. And after changing the needle, we do the injection deep into the muscle. We usually use the gluteus maximus muscle for injection. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to see more tutorials.